FMDQ OTC is one of the platforms designed to support the market development and economy of Nigeria. It had a great moment today as it experienced its first official bond listing by the UBA. It was an opportunity for key stakeholders to express the value of this remarkable listing.
UBA has had a track record of pioneering a lot of things, so we're so delighted to be a part of another pioneer offering coming out of UBA. The entire medium-term note program of 345 billion is arguably the largest of its kind also in this market. And in terms of transparency of price discovery and in terms of liquidity, we think this bond issue clearly is positioned to be one of its kind. As you may not all know, we have the distinguished honor of listing this bond today simultaneously, both at the FMDQ and at the Nigerian Stock Exchange as well.
It is the largest fixed income issuance that we had in 2014. Most importantly, it is the pioneer listing on FMDQ platform. It is the first Nigerian company to undertake dual listing of the corporate bonds. Being the first on FMDQ platform is very, very gladdening. I am very, very, very glad on this because FMDQ is here to revolutionize the market, if I use your word.
Highlight of this event was the official signing ceremony.
Mr. Bola Onadele will sign on behalf of FMDQ OTC PLC.
Will you look up as well?
We had the opportunity to speak to Mrs. Toyin Sanni, the Group CEO of United Capital, Mr. Phillip Oduoza, the GMD of UBA, and of course Mr. Bola Onadele, the MD of FMDQ, on the value of this bond listing and how it will transform the market.
We think this is a wonderful opportunity from the perspective of investors. We're deepening and broadening the securities that are available for investment. I understand that this is a pioneer listing of a bond on an OTC platform in Africa. From our perspective at United Capital PLC, we're really happy and thrilled to be the issuing house, the lead issuing house and the lead underwriter to this bond that is accomplishing these feats. Incidentally, it was also the largest bond that was closed, the largest fixed income security that was closed, corporate bond that was closed on this market in 2014, and we're very happy to be part of that as well. We think it's a win-win for everybody. We think for those who invested in the bond, as a primary issue, they have already made, some appreciable gains because the post-election scenario has already reduced the yield and increased the price of Nigerian bonds. So that means for those who have already invested, they are already in the money, so to speak. So we think it's a win-win in terms of the volume of securities that are available in the market. The fact that this is also a dual listing on both the FMDQ and the Nigeria Stock Exchange enhances the quality of transparency in price discovery with respect to this bond, and hopefully also liquidity in trading.
In raising this bond, it will enable us to do some long-term lending at the corporate sector, and also at the commercial segment and retail segment, we'll be able to lend long as far as these segments are concerned. In addition to that, it's also going to help us in the expansion of our delivery channels. And we have seen electronic banking picking up, and we have multiple channels. So we need to build very robust channels for delivery to our customers. And all this will lead to increased volume of business and ultimately increased profitability for our shareholders and investors.
Is actually the pioneer listing of any bond, whether corporate bond or not, on the Securities Exchange. UBA is the first. We'll expect more bonds to list on FMDQ. We're anticipating the federal government bonds also to be listed on FMDQ, and that is going to be another great milestone, and we're going to get there.
This is the pioneer bond listing on the FMDQ OTC platform, and this should bring enormous opportunities for others who would want to also engage this platform, believing that this will indeed support and grow the economy.